Metro.
By Georgette Roberts and Isabel Vincent.
The Bronx man who inflamed Hawaiians for not obeying a mandatory quarantine when he arrived in the Aloha State, and was arrested for it, is not getting any love from back home.
He had no business going there, an irritated Marsha Peters said of her son, Tariq Peters. The rules are all over. I told him not to travel. I told him not to go. I told him to cancel all his vacation plans because he knows what's going on in America and all over.
Peters was arrested Friday by agents with the Hawaii Attorney General's office and charged with violating the state's strict rules that tourists observe a 14-day quarantine after arriving.
Instead, Peters landed in Honolulu Monday and set out to explore the island. He was caught after posting photos of himself on social media at the beach, sunbathing, surfing and walking around Waikiki, prompting angry locals to call authorities.
Peters was being held on $4,000 bail and his mom said he may have to cool his heels in the slammer.
Where am I going to get $4,000 from? I don't know that he has $4,000. He ain't rich like that. We gonna have to work something out, she said.
Peters said her son, who normally does the right thing, works and attends Mercy College.
A woman who told the Post she was Peters' sister, but refused to give her name, said she was upset that Hawaiian authorities had made public her brother's arrest.
Why put his information all over the internet where people are putting all sorts of threats next to his pictures, said the sister, who said she works in law enforcement and lives in the Bronx. Something like that could lead to suicide.
She said the family had been unable to talk to Peters since his arrest.
What kind of treatment is that? I found out about it last night, she said.
Peters' social media posts were continuing to draw hate Saturday.
Risking your own life for the bragging rights is your business, so be my guest. Risking other people's lives is just plain reckless. You don't have that right, one Instagram user posted under a photo of Peters standing on a beach holding a surfboard.
Another Instagram user said, "How is jail?" under a photo Peters snapped of a sunset.
How to be famous for all the wrong reasons, another said.
Hawaiian authorities said they would not have an update on the case until Monday.
Additional reporting by Melissa Klein.